Okay, so I am going to use the meat grinder from KitchenAid to grind up some venison that my nice neighbor gave to us last year. And I'm going to use it for some chili, so I want to see how it works. Now, I've used the grinder with another attachment that actually makes tomato sauce, and it did a great job yesterday. So today I'm going to try the meat and see how it works. So you can see I've attached the grinder here. I believe the instructions say to put it on 4. Just make sure. Yep, speed 4. And then I'm going to put the meat into the grinder and see how it comes out. This is the first time I've never done this before. So it's kind of weird that this part goes around, but it still works. And then it also comes with this piece here to actually push the food down into the grinder. And see what happens. And then when it's done coming out, if you can't easily unattach it and clean it out, then you use this side as a wrench to actually open the grinder up. Oh, there it is, the KitchenAid grinder.